Now, the part to remove here. I'll let that part off. I'm gonna go to the trash. And if you don't want to see her owie, close your eyes right now. So pick up her feather without touching. Right there. It's got a scab on it now. So it's healing up, it's airing out. There's the other one. Right there. It's okay. Chickens jumped. That's okay. I need to see it. Yep. Okay. So you can see it's pretty big, but it's healing. It was deep in. So it is healing now. See how this is going to work. Get her feather in here. Before I pull it all the way up, I need to get the other side in. Ouch, that's my finger. Oh no, stay here. Stay here. You stay right here. You gotta get your other feather. Stay right here. Turn around here. Well, the other one came off. Stay here. I gotta get this in. I gotta get this in. So you just stay right here. Right here. I gotta hold her up here so I don't hold her owie. We'll do it again. We'll try it again, baby. You're stepping in it though. Okay. We'll try it again. We will try it again. Okay, we'll try it again. Get those right there. Put that one in there. And getting sure all her feathers are in. And then this one. Get all her feathers in. Just have some patience with me, okay? Have some patience with me, okay? Don't go flying off now. No. No, don't you dare go flying off. Be careful, I don't want to hurt her wing.